your sex life sometimes feels like banging a square peg into a round hole, I've got something that I think you can use right away that's going to be an unlock to finding greater pleasure in your relationship. So I'm Jason. I am a somatic sex coach for ADHD women, and I'm an ADHD myself. And today I want to talk around arousal patterns and why understanding this is such a game changer for relationships, for long-term relationships. And the reason is arousal patterns to me are like fingerprints. Right? We all have them, but they're all different. And so what we need to understand is, firstly, what's our own arousal pattern? And then secondly, what's our partner's? Because usually they're very different. And not knowing that up front can cause complications, unknown complications that I'm going to demonstrate shortly. And so let's just jump straight into that. So what you're going to see here is a diagram, and I'm going to take you through two standard examples for a couple. Now, person A starts off down here for their arousal, and it jacks up really quickly. So once it starts, turned on very quickly, and then, just take it off. Partner B, on the other hand, is a very different arousing pattern, where for partner B, it starts off much slower before building up. Just maintain that here. Both normal, both okay, but both very different. And so what happens is in a relationship, these differences can cause disconnection because partner A here is really hot really quickly, but partner B isn't. It takes time, right? It's not a click of the finger. So she wants to know that the dishes have been done, right? The bedroom is tidy. Like there's not things that she has to think about before they engage in sex. And so partner A may get frustrated. They feel rejected. Partner A's arousal might drop off before partner B has even really reached a point of arousal. And partner B might feel not seen or undervalued because it takes her more time to reach the place that she wants to reach, and partner A reaches that so quickly and then drops off before she reaches there that they never really connect in the way that they would both like. So what could we do here is, firstly, we understand this now in each other. So we've got a different dialogue that we can take around what do we need? What does partner B need? What does partner A need? And how can we meet these needs? And it might be that partner A just needs to slow down a bit. Instead of going 0 to 100, maybe he needs to do some down regulation, maybe do some breath work or do something that's slowly turning him on versus jumping straight quickly into it. Whereas partner B, if we know that, cleaning house is what's required, maybe the two of you can do dishes together and make it a little fun, play like some erotic game as you're doing this. The bedroom needs to be set up in a way that the things need to be closed off from the day for sex to really build and for anticipation and arousal to build for partner B. Well, you can find ways to do that together. There's so many options of what you can do once you realize what actually is going on here. I think that's what's so valuable about mapping out your arousal pattern. And this is one of the many things that I do with my clients through the 90-day program I work on with ADHD women. So if that's of interest, do let me know. This for me, this was a game changer when I learned about it. And I just straight away realized when I was thinking over this, if only I knew this so many relationships ago, how much of a difference it would have made, because I was sitting over here, she was sitting over here, and oftentimes we were just lost in the middle. So for me, understanding arousal patterns was a massive unlock, like it is for so many others. I hope this was helpful.